The only way to reset the toner level in these browser cartridges is to change the chip. You'll find the chip here. These machines have no reset gear or reset procedures as the previous browser machines. They don't even let you print when the chip is dead, as most of Hewlett-Packard making browsers new printers, one of the worst choice if you want to use compatible toners. You can find the chip on several websites by typing into your search engine something like chip for browser TN229, depending on the cartridge you have. Be sure to buy the right chip. They are regional. For example, the chip for the European TN248 will not work in the Australian TN258. Remove the chip with a sharp knife. Lift it up from the side. Sometimes it's not even glued. Reinstall the new chip and the work is done.